Third class science, birds, food and more lesson. Already we discussed children different types of beaks. Yes, today we will discuss feet and class. Feet and class. Okay, feet and class. Birds use their class. Birds use their class to catch and eat the food. To catch and eat the food and protect the enemies. This class used to protect the enemies and move about. Move about. Birds use this class to catch and eat food, to protect themselves from enemies and move about. Okay, here see children, some flesh eating birds. Some flesh eating birds. Which birds are the flesh eating birds? Hatchet, hawks, eagles, all. These birds are the flesh eating birds. Yes, these flesh eating birds have strong and sharp claws. Strong and sharp claws are there. These strong and sharp claws are called as talons. These strong and sharp claws are called as talons. These strong and sharp claws help to catch the live animals like rats, toads, small birds. Okay, how to help this class? Catch the live animals like rats, toads and birds. Here see, it is a eagle. Feet, very sharp feet. It is a very sharp to catch the birds. Very sharp feet. Okay, these claws are called as talons. Okay, how to help this class? Catch these sharp claws are the catch the rats and toads and birds. Small insects, small birds, small animals are to catch and eat eagle. Yes, it is a flesh eating birds like hawks, eagles, wolves. These all birds like this feet, talons. Okay, strong and sharp claws. Next type, perching birds. Perching birds. Perching birds like sparrow, myna and crow. These birds are the perching birds. Yes, these birds have 3 toes front side. 3 toes front side. 3 toes are the front side. 1 toe back side at the back side, like this. Okay, this type of perching birds, sparrow, myna and crows have like this toe, and 3 toes are the front side, 1 toe at the back side. Okay, can you understand? 3 toes are the front side, 1 toe is the back side. Okay, this type of feet help the birds. This type of feet help the birds hold on the branch. This type of feet and this type of claws help to the birds hold on the branch, and they can even sleep while they perch. And highly places, perch means highly places. You can sit on the highly places. These birds sleep on the trees and branches, very high places. Yes, it's helped them. These this type of feet are the help to hold the branches, హోల్ ద హై ప్లేసెస్లో మనం చివర కూర్చున్నా కూడా ఈ బర్డ్స్ అనేవి ఈ ఫీట్ అనేది హెల్ప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, కెన్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ చిల్డ్రన్? పెచింగ్ బర్డ్స్ లైక్ స్పారో, మైనా అండ్ క్రో, these birds have a 3 toes on the front side, 1 toe on the back side. In this type of feet, in this type of claw is help to birds hold on the branches, and they sit or they can even sleep also while the perch. Okay, highly places la padukunna kuda don't emi kaadu. Okay na. Next, these are the perching birds class. First is very strong and sharp class. Eagles have a very strong and sharp class. Next, these are called as talons. Next, perching birds have a 3 toes on the front side, 1 toe on the back side. It is a perching bird's feet and claw. Next, another one, scratching birds. Scratching birds. Scratching birds means like hens. Scratching birds, hens. Hens or they scratch the soil and scratch the గీతలు ఇలా చేస్తాయి కదా. Scratch the ground and dig the ground. Scratch and dig the ground and bring out the insects. Dig the ground, bring out the insects and the seeds. And they have strong legs with 3 toes in front like this. 3 toes are the front side, 1 toe is the back side, like this perching birds like. Okay, this dig the ground and bring out the insects and seeds. They have strong legs with 3 toes in front side and 1 toe is the back side. These toes have sharp, hard claws to help them dig. ఇలా డింగ్ చేయడానికి, సో గ్రౌండ్ని తవ్వడానికి చాలా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఫీట్ అండ్ క్లాస్, వెరీ స్ట్రాంగ్ toes. Okay, can you understand? These are the scratching birds. Okay, here see children, 3 toes are the front side, 1 toe are the back side. In this type of feet is help to dig the ground and bring out the insect and seeds. Okay, these toes have sharp and hard claws and help them to ding. Okay, ding means tavada. Next, perching birds like sparrow, myna and crow. It is a toes of the crow. 3 are the front side, 1 is back side like hens like. Okay, and this type of feet help the birds to catch the branches and they can even sleep while they perch. Next, flesh eating birds. Here see, one of the bird is eagle. It is a flesh eating bird. Here see, catch the rat. Okay, and strong and sharp claws. These claws are called as talons. These are the help to them catch the live birds and animals, rats and some small birds. Okay, here see children, eagle feet, very sharp and strong claws. Okay, can you understand? Tomorrow we will discuss another remaining types of claws. Okay, thank you.